Hello students, my name is Sanket Purohit. Today I am going to give you solution of practice book exercise 1.1 which I have given you in terms of homework. Okay students, so let's begin with our exercise 1.1 practice book solution. Very first sum, बच्चों, find three rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Three rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So, first of all, what we need to check is denominator. Denominator अलग है. That means what we have to do is we have to make same denominator. For making same denominator, what I will do? Taking LCM. तो LCM होगा 15. So यहाँ पे आएगा 5 by 5 and यहाँ पे आएगा 3 by 3. Now check 2 5s are 10 upon 15. 4 3s are 12 upon 15. Now you have to insert three rational numbers. As it is three rational numbers, what we have to multiply? We have to multiply it with very next number, and that is 4. So multiply 4 by 4. Multiply 4 by 4. 10 4s are 40 upon 60. Okay. And sorry, 15 4s are it is 60 and 12 4s are 48 upon 60. Now, what are the three rational numbers between this and this? You can write any one. 41 upon 60, 42 upon 60, 43 upon 60. In between 40 and 48, you can enter any three rational numbers. So, I will be adding 41 upon 60, then 43 upon 60 and 47 upon 60. Okay, this all three numbers will lie between 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. Sorry, 4 by 5, and that's the end of sum number 1, bachcho. Second sum. Second is find three rational numbers between 1 by 7 and 3 by 7. Three rational numbers between 1 by 7, 3 by 7. Now, denominator देखिए दोनों के same है, तो what we have to straight away do is we straight away have to do multiply it with next number. What is the next number of 3? It is 4. So 1 by 7 into 4 by 4, 3 by 7 into 4 by 4. Okay. Now multiply 4 upon 28. Okay, and this is 12 upon 28. Insert any numbers in between 4 to 12. You need to add 3. So I will add 5 by 28, then 7 by 28, or even I can write the 8 by 28, 9 by 28, anything. Now this cannot be cancelled, but this will be cancelled. So try to bring it out in your least fraction forms. Least fraction form मतलब जहाँ जहाँ कट हो सकता है वहाँ वहाँ कट करके मिनिमम कटिंग हो, उसके बाद कट ना हो वहाँ तक कट करना है. 4 2s are 4 7s are. So your final answer is 5 upon 28, 2 upon 7 and 9 upon 28. You can insert any numbers, but you have to cut like this. You can insert 6 upon 28, 7 upon 28, 8 upon 28, 9 upon 28, 10 upon 28 and 11 upon 28 as well. Okay, bachcho. Moving ahead, sum number third. Sum number third suggests find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 7 and 2 by 5. 5 rational numbers between 2 by 7 and 2 by 5. Okay, now Again check, denominator is not same. So first of all, we need to make denominator equal. For that, what will be your LCM? It will be 35. So multiply 2 by 7 with 5 by 5 and 2 by 5 with 7 by 7. 2 into 5 is 10 upon 35. 2 into 7, 14 upon 35. Now what? Okay? Now you need to insert 5 rational numbers. Then multiply this, both the numbers with 6 upon 6. So 6 upon 6 and 6 upon 6. 10 6 are 60 upon 5 6 are 30 and 3 6 are 18 and 210. 60 upon 210. And this will be 4 6 are 24. 84 आएगा. 84 upon 35 6 are, it will be 210. Now you need to add any 6 rational numbers between 6 to 84 और साथ साथ ये भी देखना है कि कहां-कहां कट हो सकता है. फर्स्ट थिंग 61 या 61 upon 210, 63 upon 210, 67 upon 210, 69 upon 210, okay, then 71 upon 210, 73 upon 210, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need to find only 5. Okay, so that's the end of sum number 3rd. Then we will be moving ahead. Sum number 4th बच्चों. 4th says find 5 rational numbers between -2 by 3 and 1 by 5. ये देखो 5 फाइंड करने हैं between -2 by 3 and 1 by 5. अगेन LCM लेना पड़ेगा. LCM लेंगे तो -2 by 3 into 5 by 5 और ये होगा 1 by 5 into 3 by 3. -10 upon 15 और ये हो गया 3 upon 15. तो -10 से लेके 3 तक आप लोग कोई भी 5 रैशनल नंबर्स ऐड कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि -8 by 15 आ गया, -7 by 15, then -4 upon 15, then -2 upon 15, then -1 upon 15. Then you can even add 0. ये खास ध्यान रखना. 0 भी आप लोग डाल सकते हो because 0 is a rational number and moreover it will lie between these two numbers. Okay, so I have added 0 also. You need to find 5 rational numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, I am giving you additional just for your practice. And last question, I guess question number 5, which says find 5 rational numbers between -3 by 4 and -1 by 3. ये भी इंटरेस्टिंग है. 5th क्वेश्चन -3 by 4 और -1 by 3 के बीच में आपको 5 rational numbers फाइंड करने हैं. Now what? सबसे पहले LCM लेंगे तो -3 by 4 into 3 by 3 और ये होगा -1 by 3 into 4 by 4. So it will be -9 upon 12 और ये होगा -4 upon 12. So -9 और -4 के बीच के सारे नंबर्स जो है वो आपको ऐड करने हैं. तो फर्स्ट नंबर विल बी -8 by 12, -7 by 12, -6 by 12, -5 by 12. ओके, आपको 5 बोले हैं तो सबसे पहले we forgot to multiply it with 6 by 6. Simple method. -54 upon 78 and -48 upon 72. And now add -54 से लेके -48 तक 5 रैशनल नंबर्स हो जाएंगे. -53 by 72, -52 by 72, -51 by 72, -50 by 72 and -49 by 72. Now हैव टू कैंसिल इट आउट, जहां जहां होता है। ये 26, ये हो गया 36, और कैंसिल कर सकते हो, यस, 2 13 एंड 2 18। ओके, 4 के टेबल में आता है, इसीलिए इसको कट नहीं कर सकते हैं। देन या कट कर सकते हो 17 3 51 और 24, तो -17 अपॉन 24। देन ये हो गया -25 और ये हो गया 36, और ये नहीं कैंसिल होगा, ठीक है। सो योर फाइनल आंसर इज -53 अपॉन 72, -13 अपॉन 18, -17 upon 24, -25 upon 36, and -49 upon 72. So that's the end of your sum number 5th, बच्चों। Moving ahead, major question number 6 as written. State whether the following statements are true or false. Before that, I will write for you n मतलब natural number is a subset of whole number, is a subset of integer, is a subset of rational number, is a subset of real number. और मैंने आप सबको एक्सप्लेन भी किया है, वापस एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ। If you are going from left to right, your all answers will be true. But if you are going from right to left, all answers will be false. So 6 का first is every whole number is a natural number. Every whole number is a natural number. So answer is false, and you have to give reason as well. What will be your reason? Every natural number is whole number. But you need to write in statement. I am sir, तो मैं लिख सकता हूँ every natural number is whole number. Then second question. Every whole number is an integer. Every whole number is an integer. So it is a true statement. So जहाँ पे true statement होता है, we are not supposed to write the reason. And last, third number, every whole number is a rational number. So again, this is a true statement. So that's it, बच्चों. We have completed your exercise 1.1 from practice book. Please see the entire video, and if you have gone through this entire video, please do like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. It is Sanket Purohit. Please find logo like this. Thank you very much. Bye bye, students.